Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Today we will do action words in English. But before that we are going to do the revision of our previous topic, which was vowels. As I said to you earlier that we have 5 letters of vowels in our English alphabets, and that letters are A, E, I, O, U. Again I am repeating, A, E, I, O, U are the short vowels that we use. Now the sound of letter A is E. Sound of letter A is E. Now next letter is E. Always remember the sound of E is E. The sound of breaking egg. E. Sound of letter I is Inky the mouse. E. Always remember E. The sound of letter O is O. Just make your mouth round. O. And sound of letter U is A. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella. The sound of letter U is A. I am writing one word for each letter. Apple, egg, ink, orange, and umbrella. Now see, the sound of letter A is apple. Sound of letter E is egg. Sound of letter I is E. Sound of letter O is O, orange. Sound of letter U is umbrella. So dear student, once again I am repeating, we have 5 vowels in our English alphabets, and that are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And vowels are very important because it helps us to pronounce any word correctly and easily. So as I said you earlier that today we are going to do action words. Now first let me tell you what do you mean by action. Action means what someone does. I repeat, action means what someone does. So dear students, there are a lot of action which we do, but today we will do few action that we can do with our hands. Now tell me, if someone asks you what you do with your hand, so usually we tend to answer we touch, or we write, or we pick something with our hands. But dear students, there's more action that we can do with our hands. Now look at me what I'm doing. Now I showed you 3 action. First I was sleeping, second I was jumping, and third I was rubbing the board. These are called action. The action of sleeping is like this, action of jumping is like this, and action of rubbing is like this. So as I told you earlier, that today we are going to discuss about action word that we do with our hands. So let's start. Action words that we do with our hands. Number 1 is wave. W-A-V-E, wave. Now see, the first word I have written is wave. How do we wave our hand? We open our hand in open air and we just do like this. This is called wave or waving. We usually wave to say hi or to buy, or either sometimes to grab someone's attention. We use the action wave. Now I'm writing one sentence. He is waving his hand. Now in this sentence, can you find out which one is action word? Waving. This is action word because he is doing something. What he is doing? He is waving his hand. So waving his hand is an action word. Number 2 action that we can do from our hand. Now second word I am taking is stroke. We spell stroke as S-T-R-O-K-E, stroke. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of stroke. Stroke means long hand movement. I repeat, stroke means long hand movement. If you have a puppy at your home, what we do? To express love towards our puppy, we start stroking his fur with our long hand. See what I am doing? This action makes our puppy happy. So usually to show love towards our puppy, we stroke our puppy's fur like this. See? With our long hand open like this. So this action is called stroke or stroking. So you can write this sentence. I am stroking my dog's fur. Now see. I am stroking my dog's fur like this. You are stroking your dog's fur like this. Long hand movement. See? Usually this movement we do towards animals like this. Fine? Now next action which I am going to take is tickling. T-I-C-K-L-I-N-G, tickling. Tickling means light movement. Tickling means light movement of your finger. I repeat, tickling means light movement with your fingers. Now see what I am doing. What I am doing, just see. I am using my finger toes in a very light way. You know, when we do this kind of action, to make other person happy or to make him laugh, we use this action slowly. And this action is known tickling. Now, he is tickling on my back. So what I have written? He is tickling my back. So in this sentence, which word is of action? Tickling is an action word. Again, I am showing you the action of tickling like this. He is tickling on my back like this. I am tickling. See? It usually make other person laugh. Okay? Now next word which I am going to take is slap. We spell slap as S-L-A-P, slap. Now I am gonna tell you what do you mean by slap. Slap means to hit on someone's face like this. Slap means to hit on someone's face like this. When you are angry with your friend or you start fighting with your friend, then sometimes it happens that we slap on our friend's face like this. So this movement is known as slap. Now I am writing one sentence of slap. Don't slap me. So I've written one sentence, don't slap me. So slap is an action word. So last word of today is scratch. Scratch means when you are feeling to itch your body, then we start scratching like this. We start scratching our body. For example, if mosquito bites you, then what do? We start scratching our body. So this action of rubbing our body is known as scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H, scratch. He scratch with his fingers. So here you can say scratch is an action word. Scratch is an action word. So student, today we did few action that we can do with our hands. The first was wave. This is an action of wave. Second action which we can do from our hand was stroke. Stroke means long hand movement like this. See. Third was tickling. Tickling means to make other people laugh a little bit, to make him uncomfortable like this. See? Like this. And third was slap. To hit on someone's face like this. And fourth was scratch like this. As I told you earlier that there are lots of action word, but today we only discussed about few action word that we can do with our hand. So we are going to repeat in our next session action word. This much for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you and have a great day.